square of 3-digit numbers. Using these 4 steps we can find the square of 3-digit numbers. First step is that find the square of last 2 digits in the given number, and the second step, multiply the first and last digit from the given number and double it, add to the first step answer, and the third step, multiply the first 2 digits and double the product, add this one to step 2 answer, and last step, that is find the square of first digit and add that answer to the step 3 answer. I will take the example and explain it. See, for example, 245 square. 245 square. In this number 3 digits are there. First we have to find the square of last 2 digits. What is the last 2 digit number here? 45. 45 square. In earlier videos I already explained how to find the square of the number which are ending with 5. And the number is ending with 5 means in the square last 2 digits are 25, and next multiply the remaining number with its successor. 4 successor is 5, multiply 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20. 45 square equals to 2025. First step completed. And second step, multiply the first and last digit. First digit is here 2 and last digit is 5. Find the product. What is the product? 2 into 5 will get 10, and double it, nothing but multiply with 2 will get 20. And in the first step answer, leave the 2 digits, write this one to remaining number. So what is the remaining number? 20 plus 20, it is 40. Now replace this 40 here. So what is the final answer after second step? That is 4025. This is the first step, and this one second step. And in the third step, what is the third step? Multiply first 2 digits. First 2 digits are here 2, 4. So find the product. 2 into 4 will get 8. Double it. 8 2s are will get 16. And we have to add this 16 second answer. So we have to leave the last 3 digits and remaining number. We have to add this one to the remaining number. So what is the remaining number here? 4 plus 16. It is 20. Replace it. So what is the answer? 20,025 as it is. And this is step 3. And last step, that is fourth one. Find the square of first digit. What is the first digit in the number? 2. 2 square equals to, we know that 4. Add this one. Third step answer. Here we have to leave the last 4 digits. So remaining number we have to add this one to this one. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Replace this 2 with 6. Final answer is 60025. 245 square equals to 60,025 is the answer. Next example, 315 square. 315 square. According to the process, first step, what is the first step? Find the square of last 2 digits. Last 2 digits here, 15. Find the 15 square. This number also ending with 5. We know that already in the square, last 2 digits are 25. 2, 5. Next, multiply the remaining number with its successor. 1 2s are 2. 15 square equals to 225. And the second step, that is multiply the first digit with the last digit and find the product of first digit and last digit. 3 5s are 15. Double it. It will get 30. 15 2s are 30. Add this 30 to the first step answer. Leave here last 2 digits, and 2 plus 30 will get 32. Replace this 32 here. So what is the answer after second step? 3225. Third step, that is multiply the first 2 digits. First 2 digits 3 and 1. So product of 3 and 1 is 3. Double it will get 6. Now step 3 answer is 3225. In the step 3 we have to leave the last 3 digits and add this answer to the remaining number. So remaining number is 3 plus 6, it's 9. Replace this 9 here. So 9225. And last step, that is square of the first digit. Square of the first digit. 3. 3 square equals to 9. And replace before that. Here 4 digit we have to leave. Nothing is there means 0. Now replace this 9 to here. So 9, 9, 2, 2, 5. This is the final answer. 315 square equals to 99,225. Another example. 417 square. First step, last two digits square. 17 square. 17 square equals to, we know that, 289. And the second step, product of the first and last digit. First digit 4, last digit 7. 2 sevens are 20, 4 sevens are 28. Double of 28 is 56. Add this 56. Answer of first step. Leave the last 2 digits and remaining number 2 plus 56 will get 58. Replace this 58 here. So what is the final answer after second step? 5889. And the third step, find the product of first 2 digits 4 and 1. Product of 4 and 1 is 4. Double the number, 4 to the 8. And after that, second step answer, last 3 digits we have to leave, and remaining number and this one, product of the first and first 2 digits, double of the first 2 digits product, we have to add to this one. 5 plus 8 will get 13. Replace 13, 8, 8, 9. And the last step, that is fourth one, find the square of first digit. First digit is 4. 4 square equals to 16. And add this one to step 3 answer. In the step 3, we have to leave last 4 digits. So just we have to add this 16 to remaining number, that is 1, will get 17. Now replace, instead of 1, write 17. Now what is the final answer? 173,889. This is the 417 square. 417 square equals to 1,73,889. So using this process or using this logic, we can find the square of any 3-digit number. First we have to find the square of last 2 digits, and next we have to, in the second step we have to multiply first and last digit, and in the third step we have to find the double of the product of first and last digit and add to the first step answer, and in the third step we have to multiply first digit and second digit, double it, add to the answer of second step. Last step, that is we have to find the square of first digit, add that one to the answer of in the third step. Thank you so much.